not choose Jesus Christ for me. My church could not choose Jesus Christ for me. I had to make that choice. Now, many years I did not want Jesus to control my life. I didn't want to turn from my sins. I wanted to have fun. But I was 22 years old when I got on my knees one night. I said, God, I've made a mess of my life. If you can take the broken pieces of my life and put it together, you can have it. My parents could not choose Jesus Christ for me.